And we are live. Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Talk Now Live with Larry. This is a special edition here at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're actually calling this Crypto Chat. So welcome here. This is just a special time. Our normal time is, of course, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also the Max and Larry show on this channel is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But we wanted to welcome you guys. We're going to try to do this little Crypto Chat segment here. I don't know how long it's going to go. It's going to depend on how long or how many people come in here and when I get tired or hungry. So there you go. Let's click the banners. Everybody, welcome. If you haven't been here before, this is Patches. He is a real dog. He does move, but he just had a nice, relaxing bath, and he's probably going to just take a nap like he usually does. So I'm going to click this button right here. So please like the stream. Patches says, please smash the like button. Here's his little ticker here. Yep. It says, please smash the like button. Guys, we have so much to talk about. We have so many things to talk about that's going on in the crypto world. The market is still very topsy-turvy. I'm looking over here at Crypto Bubbles. Let's jump over to the screen and take a look. Let me get this smash the like button off. Okay, so you can see right here. Currently, we have like a sort of like a mixed bag over here on Crypto Bubbles. For some strange reason, I wouldn't be able to explain to you why, but Luna Classic and also Luna 2.0 for some reason are doing well all of a sudden. They're starting to turn around. If you come over here and look at the Kucoin chart, thank you, Kucoin, for providing this chart. They do not sponsor the channel, but they might want to consider doing so in the future as we grow. But you can see right here, right around this level right here, which was 1,600 hours. Right over here, you can see that there was a large green spike here, a candle. So I don't know if there's some kind of a news update we can find. I'm going to go over here and try to go to the official Twitter page. I'm pushing the Twitter button right now on my Stream Deck. And I'm going to go ahead and look and see if there's any official news from Terra_money, which is the official Twitter page, in case you guys are following at home. It is the official Twitter page of Terra Luna Labs. And Duquan and all of his friends post on this right here. So, yeah, so I don't see anything new other than just some exchange listings here. Also, their projects are listing on here. You can see Stater Labs. There was an announcement there. Also, Phoenix Finance. Phoenix Decentralized Exchange is live on Terra Money 2.0 mainnet. So here's that. I don't see, maybe it could be because more of these projects are migrating over to the V2 for Terra, the second blockchain. So we're going to welcome some people coming in here. We've got some comments coming in. Yes, we do. He says, good morning, fam. Good morning to you, Iron Lux Trader. Good morning to you, sir. You are the first comment of the day. We're going to see how this goes, guys. We do normally have a show at 3, but today we have a special start time at 1. So let's see how this goes. Let's see if we can bring in some new people here today. And I welcome you guys, especially I welcome Iron Lux Trader. If you guys want to comment, you will have to be a subscriber. Looks like we went a little bit backwards, guys. We need to get back to the 6,900 level. And then once we get to the 7,000 subscriber level, we're going to do very special things for our community. We're going to give back to our community, and you're going to see that give back over on Twitter. You're going to see it on Twitter, and you can follow us on Twitter here. It's Crypto Talk Now 21. And my co-host, when he comes on tonight on the Max and Larry show, his Twitter is DPG Maximus. Let's get back into the overall market here. You can see we've got Crypto Bubbles. We got a few more people filing in. Selmo Fudd says, hey, Larry and Patches and Crypto Talk Now. Thank you so much for that. So welcome back to Selmo Fudd. We are expecting a few more people to come in here. I know this wasn't really planned, but we wanted to try today starting at 1 o'clock. Our normal start time is 3. So here we go. Let's see what we have. Patches is taking a nice nap after taking a bath. I don't know if you guys can comment and let me know why you think that Luna Classic is up. And also, you know, Luna 2.0 is up too, 19% in the last 24 hours. I'm not sure exactly why this is happening. So we've actually burned another zero with Luna Classic. If you guys have been watching this channel, you know that Max and I are considering loading up more. Not financial advice, but we're considering buying more. But we want to wait for it to burn 1 or 2 more zeros. I'm more inclined to wait for 2 zeros to get burned. So I really don't know exactly what is causing this to go up right now. Let's take a look at the headlines from courtesy of Coin Market Cap. So this one right here is an interesting article. I haven't read it yet. It says these are the least stable coins, not named Terra USD. Of course, Terra USD was the one that was pegged to Terra USD was pegged. It was known as UST. It was pegged to Luna Classic. So which ones are they saying? It's kind of curious here. Which ones are they saying are not so stable? This might be important to look at in case you guys have any aspirations of putting your money into stable coins. All right, so stable coin firms claim that each of their issue tokens is backed by real world and or crypto assets. Before we get into this too much more, let's welcome, of course, SICC, S-I-C-C, Ren. Thank you so much. He says, we here, family, and I bought more Crow. Okay, good for you. What did you all buy? Well, I haven't actually bought anything in a while, a few days. I've just been sitting on the sidelines, and that's interesting that you said Crow. Last night, wasn't it around, I don't know, I think it was around 18 cents. Let's see here if we can find what's going on with Crow. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's at 18 cents. So I'm guessing you probably bought around there, or maybe it dipped down a little bit below 18 cents. So that's good. Thank you so much. Please, guys, do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't. Also, please subscribe to our backup channel, which is Crypto Talk Now, the number 2. If you can do that, I am going to be making some videos. I'm going to make another video. I'm going to try to do one video a day over there. So I'm doing another video later this afternoon on probably on Luna Classic. So here again is the Twitter. Now, what did I want to show you guys? I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to see what was going on. I wanted to see what was going on with. Can we see what is going on with the likes right here? Here's the live show. Here is the live show. Okay. So we've currently got 5 likes. Thank you so much, guys. That's very strong. We've only got 7 people currently. I think a little people are confused by the start time, but we're going to see if guys, want to come in here and ladies want to come in here and watch at around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Here we are right here. I want to put this on pause. Okay, thank you so much. We've got 6 likes. So let's try to get this out there. Let's try to get to 100 likes so we can bring a nice, good crowd in here. A nice crowd of Crypto Talk Now family members. And as you can see here, please, guys, if you want to talk about a certain crypto, please drop it in the chat. My go-to default to talk about is Luna Classic and also Luna 2.0. So here we are. So what is happening? I hope everyone is doing well today. What is happening right here to the chart? What caused this right over here? As you can see at the 1600-hour level, what has caused this spike up right here? That's what I'd like to know. You can see here it was down around $6 and let's see here, $6.06. Oh, I'm sorry. No, I couldn't read this there. $6.68, right? Around there. And it's all the way up here, $7.27. This happened in a span of 15 minutes. This is a 15-minute chart. And now we're leveled off. We are at, we're actually at a lucky number, 7.11. $7.11 is where we're at right now. We were just going through a little bit of the headline news courtesy of Coin Market Cap. They do not sponsor this channel, but they might want to consider doing so in the future. OpenSea is in more hot water. Executive has been charged with insider trading. Optimism community proposal seeks to ban OP dumpers from future airdrops. So we looked at OP. We looked at Optimism yesterday, and it looks like just like I was thinking. I was saying, probably, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know, you guys are smart in the audience here. It looks like a lot of the people that got the Optimism airdrop were dumping it, and that kind of hurt the chart in the beginning. I think it'll be fine. It looks like a strong project. Bitcoin USD gives back some recent gains. Here's some technical analysis from Sally Ho. I have not heard of her, but maybe she's an expert. I don't know. Kucoin imprisonment. Here's reality behind the lawsuit on the Terra crash. So here he is, Kucoin, your friend and my friend. Here he is, everybody's friend. He says, how deep is Duquan? Is Quan in legal trouble? How deep is it? Is he really in trouble or what? Says, however, what's at stake for Duquan is not as much as anticipated by those who lost in Terra investments, according to CNBC report, former federal prosecutors and regulators. Right here. So they're talking about South Korea. The country's authorities have also planned to introduce a digital asset watchdog very soon. So here comes the snake. The snake for regulation. That's the metaphor. The digital asset. Let's see. The digital asset community will monitor markets and establish guidelines on listing, disclosures, and investor protection. It will also consult with a body comprised by the top 5 South Korean crypto changes. You guys are going to have to bear with me. I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm a little tired, but I am going to grind through this for you guys because I want to try to see if this 1 o'clock time slot works for everybody better than the 3 o'clock. Within equals without. I've seen you here before. Thank you so much. Crypto Talk Now, Diamond Hands, US. It looks like it's a bank emoji. I'm not sure. But thank you for coming back. Welcome back to Crypto Talk. Crypto Talk Now Live. We're calling this segment Crypto Chat. And you can see here Patches is not impressed. Actually, he's very happy now because he just had a bath. Okay, so there's 8 people watching and 9 likes. That's pretty good, guys. I really appreciate that. I really do appreciate you guys liking. That's a strong number of likes. So 10 likes. Now we've got 10 likes. Please, guys, if you haven't liked, please like this video. We're trying to break a record. But, you know, if we can't break a record, let's get at least to 100 likes. And also, if you could, guys, please share this on Twitter. Also, in case you're wondering, we are simulcast across 3 platforms. We are on Twitch. Please follow us on Twitch, Crypto Talk Now. And also, right now, we should be live. Are we live? Or is it not working? We should be live on Twitter right now. I don't know if it's working or not. Something's going on. Let's refresh the page. Oh, thank goodness right there. Okay, we are live on Twitter. You can see us right now. There's somebody watching us on Twitter. Usually we get 50 to 100 people watching on Twitter, so that's pretty good. We thank those that are watching us right now on Twitter, which looks like it's 1 person. So we thank you for that. Let's see here. So let's go back over and look again because everyone likes to relax and look at charts. Patches, he loves looking at charts, but he does fall asleep. So here's what's going on, guys. This is what we're trying to determine. It's actually, $6.68. And in a 15-minute span, it shot up to $7.26. It pulled back a little bit. And right now we are at $7.10 for Luna 2.0. Overall market again. Let's look at the overall market. So the overall market is looking like this. It's kind of a mixed bag. It's just interesting. What I'm trying to figure out is, do you guys let me know in the comment section, do you think that Luna Classic is following the footsteps of Luna 2.0? It seems like they both kind of move at the same time. Or maybe it's just a coincidence right now. But if you look at this right here, you can see over here, Luna Classic, let's covered up by this, by the comment here. Luna Classic right here is at up 8.7% in the last 24 hours. And Luna 2.0 is up 16%. 16% in the last 24 hours right over here. And that seems to be right now the biggest mover. Yep. So there is a lot of pretty good healthy volume, 723 million in the last 24 hours. The market cap is slipped down a little bit to 1.49 billion. I think it was up yesterday over 2 billion. So that's where we're at. So yes, please, guys, I don't know if anybody got into WeMix. If you guys could please drop in the comment section what you want to take a look at, and we will look at it because this is your show. Patches is taking a nap as he always does. Like I said, he's freshly bathed. But yeah, so we are live right now. You know what I'll do for everybody so you guys can see? I'll push, thank you to Johan, my tech guy and friend. I will push the I'll push the Twitch button. And let's see if we're live on Twitch. We should also be live on Twitch. We need to get some more followers over on Twitch because right now we're very small on Twitch. We've been there for a couple weeks, but I think people don't realize We've only got 4 followers. So if any of you have Twitch accounts, please do us a favor and follow us on Twitch. And also, we have a second channel on YouTube, if I can find it. Here it is right now. If you guys want to subscribe, there's only 2 subscribers. I just created this channel yesterday. It is Crypto Talk Now and the number 2. So it's easy to find. Just like our main channel here, Crypto Talk Now. Just put a number 2 after it. There's spaces all in here, and you will be able to subscribe to our secondary channel, which will act as a backup channel. So here we are. Yep. So we're at 6,891. Thank you for that. We are at 12 likes. That's pretty good for 9 people here. That's strong. That's very strong. If you haven't liked it, please like it and share it on Twitter. Guys, we really want to make this a big show, so appreciate all of your help with that. So did anyone buy any Hex? Is anyone into Hex? Because I bought it. God, it seems like maybe a week and a half ago or so. I bought back in for the second time. Yeah, so I'm back into Hex. I'm a Hexican. Cardano is surprising people a little bit. It seems to, it's been up 18%. It seems to want to take off just like the rest of the market. Let's actually look at the overall market. Let's go into coin market cap. So as you can see here, Bitcoin's been topsy-turvy all week. Last 7 days, it's up 2%. It did break that psychological barrier again of 30,000. It could be what some people are calling a fake out. I don't think it's a bull run or anything like that. Okay, thank you so much. Within equals without. Just subscribe to the second channel. Thank you so much. You're the 3rd sub. Yes, you are an OG of this channel right here, Crypto Talk Now 2. Thank you so much for that. That's the second channel. That's the backup channel, guys. And how about that? Within equals without is we already have 3 subscribers. So thank you so much for that. We are going to make some more content. Let's try to get this up to 1,000 subscribers as fast as we can. This is our backup channel in case something unfortunately were to happen to this channel you're watching right now, which is the normal Crypto Talk Now 2. We also are available. Please follow us on Twitter, Crypto Talk Now 21. Right now we are there's only one person watching us on Twitter, but we are on Twitter right now. And also we are live on Twitch as well. Please go ahead if you have Twitch. Please consider following us on Twitch because we only have 4 followers. We're new. We've been there for a couple weeks on Twitch, but we haven't really been emphasizing that on the show. So, yeah, so the overall market, I'm really taking a look at Ethereum. I'm just waiting. My strike price for Ethereum is $1,100. I'm waiting for it to drop to that. I'm going to see if it's going to. I really don't know. I don't know. I have money on the sidelines right now. My strike price for BNB is around probably 250, 240. Let's see what happens when it gets to 250 if it does. Cardano, I have mixed emotions about it. If it drops down to maybe like 45 cents or something like that, I might be a buyer again. Solana, I'm staying away from. Guys, there's some problems with Solana. The blockchain, I think, was halted yesterday. I'm staying away from it right now. I sold it off. I sold off my bag of Solana in the upper 90s. I don't know what it was. It was over $95. Dogecoin, I'm a fan of Dogecoin. I did sell off my bag just because I had to make a profit. I do have a tiny bit of dust. I'm a buyer at 5 cents. That's where I'm looking at for that. That's my strike price there. Tron, I'm taking a close look at as well because of Max, but I want to see it come down more. I'm not sure what my strike price is there. Shiba Inu, love my Shiba Inu, but I think I would buy more. I'd like to see if it'll gain back another 0. If it gains back another 0, I would load up on that. I'm just guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what my mindset is on all these. Algorand, I'm paying close attention to now. I'm thinking about picking up a bag of that. I have some dust of it still. VeChain, I'm just kind of passing on right now. It just never seems to do well for me when I own it. ApeCoin, I might be a buyer, but I want it to be distressed. I want it to get like $5 or below. I want it to be really, really low before I load up on that. I'm a little more bullish on Shiba Inu than ApeCoin at the moment, but that could change. Welcome to one of the OGs. Welcome to one of the members of Crypto Talk Now. Thank you so much for your support, your monthly support. If you guys want to become a member, all you have to do is hit the join button right here. You click on this little join button here, and you can support the channel, support Max and I as well. with the $5 a month minimum. And then there's $10, and then for the big ballers, there's 25. But you don't have to spend that much. You can just do the $5 level. That'd be appreciated. Thank you so much. We've got 12 likes, and yeah. So hello to T. You let me know. This is your show. You let me know what you want to talk about, and we will pull it up on the screen. We were just looking at the overall market. Where are we? Where's coin market cap? I lost it again. Twitch. Okay, here we are. So I'm just kind of spinning through the top 100. I'm spinning to. I sold off my helium. Phantom. I still have Phantom. It's kind of distressed as well. I don't know exactly what's going on. I don't know what's going on because I've made money with Phantom in the past. I did buy back in 50 some odd cents, something like that. I've been dollar cost averaging. I might pick up some more of that. I'm thinking about it. Zilliqa. I'm a buyer of Zilliqa. I'm just waiting for it to crash more. And if it does, I'm going to load up on Zilliqa. I like Zilliqa. And thank you for that, Max. Engine Coin. I'm a fan of Engine Coin. I do have some of that still. Maybe it'll get down to, 45, 50 cents. I'll be a buyer if it does. I'm just skipping over all these because, I'm just not really intrigued with these. I might be missing some of them. I'm looking. Arweave. Gala Games would be another one. I'd be looking to get some more, but I'd like to get some more like 4 or 5 cents. Let's see, seeing if I'm missing anything here. I'm just looking. Loopring. I took a bath on Loopring. I bought it too late. I bought it well over $1, maybe $1.50. eCash is one I might take a look at. I'm kind of divided on that one. Iota is one that someone mentioned yesterday. I'll take a closer look at that. I have to just look at it because I'm not as familiar with it. Axie Infinity, I'm staying away from right now because I don't know how much longer people are going to really want to play that. But, I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert with that. The Sandbox, I'd like the Sandbox I'd like to see what it does close to $1. And maybe if it starts going below $1, I'll just wait. But yeah, I'd like to get some more Sandbox at some point. I'm just waiting on the sidelines, guys, because I'm waiting for things to drop further. Because right now, Ethereum Classic, I'm staying away from that. I had some last year and made money with it. Stellar Lumens, I'm a buyer with Stellar Lumens, but I like to see if it can get closer to 10 cents. FTX token I'm staying away from. I think it's overvalued. I could be wrong. I'm not sold on FTX. They do a good job with their advertisements. Polygon, I'm definitely a buyer of Polygon, but let's see how far it's going to go. Maybe it'll go down to 50 cents. But I don't know how that's going to be impacted in the future with maybe Ethereum when they come out with their update. But Solana, I'm staying away from. I'm staying away from Solana like the plague. XRP, let's see how low it can go, but I need to grab some XRP. I don't own any of it right now. BNB, like I said, $250 bucks. Ethereum, I'm a buyer of Ethereum at 1,100. Bitcoin, I'm just waiting and see what happens. The only way I'm getting more Bitcoin is if it really, really crashes. If it crashes to like 12 or 10,000, I'm going to buy some Bitcoin. Right now, I'm just not buying any Bitcoin. I don't really trust the market right now, so I'm just looking for deals. Selmo Fudd says, Crypto Talk Now is it Jerry? Is it Jerry? Oh, I like that. Larry. Yep. I guess I'm the Jerry Springer of crypto. I actually kind of like that because I can have a bunch of crazy people on here and I can just kind of orchestrate. I can be like Jerry Springer of crypto. I can just have people come on here as guests and we can just let them fight amongst themselves and it'll be good entertainment, or maybe they're just having a big debate. T says, I'll be buying more of Near Protocol if it dips under 5. Okay, well, thank you for that. Yeah, so I don't really, I'm kind of a risk taker, as you guys know, or if you follow the channel. So I don't really get into, if you're wondering, I'm just looking at Tether here. I don't really get into stable coins. I know that's probably wrong, but my stable coin is Crow. I'm into Kronos, I don't like that he's trying to change it to Kronos. It should be just crypto.com, but that is what it is. But I like Crow coin. And that's my stable coin, quote unquote, not really stable coin, but that's where I park. That's where I park my money when I'm waiting to buy something, because I figure, well, I feel strongest about Crow. Of all the ones, I feel strongest about Crow. I know that sounds weird, but that's what I feel strong about. I feel safe there. And I use that. I can dip into it. I can buy something if I see an opportunity. So that's where I'm at with that. Sorry, I'm not even, you know what? I'm not sharing my screen. Was I not sharing my screen that whole time? Oh, no, that's right. I pulled it up because Selmo Fudd said that I was a Jerry Springer crypto. Thank you for that. We just got another subscriber. I need to get what Johan, we need to figure this out. We're not, Johan is really good with computers and different things like that, but he's not an expert on YouTube either, or the streaming software. We might look into Streamlabs. But wouldn't it be nice if we could see the subscribers and get a little notice when someone subscribes? You know, just something like in the corner of the screen. That would be cool. And we could see how many people like the stream. And we're doing really good with likes today, guys. I'm really impressed. And I'm proud of you guys for helping us get the word out. We got 14, so that's good. Let's come over here and let's just show a nice peaceful chart, right? We're at $7.13 for Luna 2. Welcome back, Darius Smith. Debating on pulling Doge and adding more Algorand and Polygon. Oh, he's going to pull out a Dogecoin, maybe. That's what he's thinking. He's going to maybe pull out a Dogecoin. Let's go back. Where's my, yeah, here it is, coin market cap. Well, where's Dogecoin? Dogecoin is, it's, the market cap's impressive. I don't understand how they're still at number 10 or they moved up to 10. I don't understand how we did that. I'm a buyer at Dogecoin. If you missed it, I'm a buyer at like 5 cents. I'm a buyer at 5 cents. I made money with it in the past, and I do like Dogecoin. I like the fact that it doesn't do anything, and people realize that. And with Elon Musk getting Twitter, that's my thoughts on that. Like, if he starts looking at Dogecoin and tweets about it, maybe it'll have a pump. But yeah, so I do like Polygon. And Algorand is something new for me. I do have a small, teeny tiny bag of it, but I am paying close attention to Algorand because I want it to drop like a rock, because I think it's got some good ties, governmental ties, and I think it could be strong in the future. So thoughts on Block. Welcome, Osborne. I hope I'm saying your name right. You got to forgive me because I'm not good with pronunciation. Najorji. Thoughts on Block, and welcome. It looks like you are coming from a black tie affair, possibly a wedding. We thank you for that information on who you are with your thumbnail. We're not really a thumbnail. What is it? An avatar? I don't even know what they call it. All right. Welcome, Osborne. Thoughts on Block. What are my thoughts on Block? Are you talking about Undead Blocks, the game that Maria was talking about the other day? I don't know if he's talking about that. Maybe it must be something else. Let me see. You're going to have to forgive me because I'm not familiar with Block. BLOK. And that's the thing about me. I'm always going to tell you guys up front. Like, if I don't know, I don't know. I'm not going to try to pretend. Is this it right here? Oh, geez. I hate when this does this. I really hate when this does this. I don't know what's wrong with CoinMarketCap. Every time I try to click on something, it's almost like it wants me to go to somewhere else. Blocktopia. It's either Blocktopia or, no, not Block. Okay, this is the ticker symbol, Blocktopia. Thoughts on Blocktopia. I guess this is the one you're talking about. My thoughts are, looks like it's on the Polygon. It's on the Polygon network, blockchain. I don't really have thoughts on it just yet, but let's take a look at it. I think that, to correct me if I'm wrong, if this is the wrong one, then tell me. But I think this is what he's talking about, Blocktopia. Thoughts on Blocktopia. So here we are. Genesis NFT land sale, now live. Blocktopia. Oh, there's Algorand. Okay. So this is like a metaverse play. It's a game. Actual in-game footage. Really? This is really this advanced? It's already like this, or is this something that is in the works of being developed? I never know. I don't really know because I'd have to research it, but it's a decentralized metaverse built and backed by Polygon. I like that. Polygon's fast and cheap. Introducing Blocktopia, the home of crypto. Blocktopia is a skyscraper made up of 21 levels to pay recognition to 21 million Bitcoin. Token holders will be known as Blocktopians, I guess. It will act as a central hub and welcome. Okay, blah, blah, blah. All right. Earn, play. Great. Earn. Oh, learn, earn, play. Great. Why is great with an E? Am I missing something here? Oh no, create. Larry's blind. I thought that was a G. It's a C. Okay, an ever-changing reality on the block. Okay, well, I mean, it definitely has a really fancy website. What is the metaverse? I'll have to show this to Maria and I'll show this to Max and see what they think. Because Maria's good with the metaverse too. She's into the metaverse. Block, the native token of Blocktopia. Reblock, buy, sell, and lease virtual real estate. That's interesting. Okay. Ad block, receive income via advertising. Within Blocktopia, what are the key earning opportunities for investors is advertising. Blocktopia will work with key brand, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Token lock. Token utility. Well, I mean, it looks nice on the surface. Hey, Larry, are you knowledgeable of MFI, Money Flow Index, when it comes to TA on the chart? No, I'm not. I am not. I am definitely not a TA guy. My history is as an investor, somebody that buys and holds long term. But with crypto, the market moves so fast. So I actually am going to probably be shifting my strategy to, here's the problem. I can't day trade because I don't have the patience to sit at my desk all day and stare at charts. That's the problem. So I might consider getting a service maybe through Kucoin for one of their bots, a trading bot. But I'm starting to think that there's more opportunities with trading. But, just from the background that I had with stocks and mutual funds, the general rule of thumb is that, you never can time the market. But things are different now. So, I've always been with crypto, I've always been buy and hold. But that's like the top 100 that I believe in. So I don't know. I might start learning to become a little bit of a trader with the help of a bot. A little bit more of that. Hassan Sell. Hi, Larry. How are you? Say hi to your dog. Okay, Patches, how are you? Patches, do you want to say hello to everybody? He's perking up a little bit. Can you see that? Patches, say hello to everybody on the camera. Well, he's a little sleepy because he just had a bath. He was a little itchy. I took him outside. I don't normally give him baths too often. He goes to his puppy hotel for that. But when I do give him a bath, and I was giving him a bath all by myself today, but he's so obedient. So I have this big, huge swing in the backyard. It's for people to sit on, not a kid swing, but for everybody to sit on and swing. And I take his leash and I put it under the leg of the swing. And then I bring the hose. I wash him outside because he's so big. And I don't feel like getting the bathtub downstairs here all gross and stuff like that. We've done that in the past with him for the years, but it creates such a mess that you have to clean up all the hair afterwards. So I just wash him outside. It's nice and warm out there. The hose water in the beginning is nice and warm, and it gets cold, but he's used to it. So I shampooed his fur and everything, and he got dried off. But what he does is, I'm going to get fired up about Patches. What he does is, he has a nice towel. I wipe him off, about a big bath towel, but he never can get completely dry. He never gets completely dry. I have to immediately bring him in, or else he'll start rolling around the mud because he wants to dry himself off in the mud. The mud that's created from the bath. So I bring him inside, and I wipe him down. He likes to be dried off, but then he comes in, and I just tell him, easy, Patches, easy. And he starts rolling around violently on the floor to try to wipe off every single drop in the kitchen, because I have these sliding doors off the kitchen. Oh, there he is. He's looking up now. See where I'm talking about you, don't you? And that's why he doesn't have his collar on right now, because he had his bath. I had to take it off. The collar got wet. Okay, so he's being cute now, but he wasn't being cute earlier because he rolls around and smashes up the kitchen floor with all of his puppy fur, and still creates a mess. And he has to get every little drop off. I should probably give him a bath and then throw him on camera, but I wouldn't be able to keep it because he slides around on his back. He goes all over the kitchen. Now he's in the studio and he's nice and relaxed. Look at their partners. Block is solid. Okay. Let's see. We're back to Block. Sorry, we're going to try to make this a crypto show. We got talking about patches again. So who's the partners? Who's the partners? Is it up on the, I mean, it's usually on the bottom, right? But let's see here. This is, yeah, I don't see it. All right. So there's all the links to the socials. Let's see. What is it down on the bottom? Oh, here's the partners. Yeah. Algorand. I can't see what this logo says. I can't, I need to get glasses. All these guys, Binance, Chills, CoinMarketCap, Polygon. Yeah. Solana. I guess all these are Eleron, sorry. Let's see what their Twitter says. Wow, they have a big following on Twitter. They got a big one. 364,000. Let's see what they say on here. The Exodus Reblock NFT sale, land sale is live. The portal is open to all on first come, first served basis. Yeah, this would be one that I will go over with Maria. Here's somebody new. Welcome. Welcome. Oh, I like your car. He's got a red Trans Am. Looks like it's maybe late 70s, early 80s. So my aunt, a long time ago, when I was in preschool, I remember her picking me up, and she had a car just like that with the big bird on the hood and everything, but it was white. It was white with the blue bird. It reminds me of my aunt. Yep. I remember that as a little kid. If you can believe that, I had a good long-term memory. All right, so thank you for that memory, and welcome to the show. You're watching Crypto Talk Now live with Larry, and also we have Patches here, my dog. Garrett Ver, thank you for joining, or whatever it's called, subscribing. Hey, Larry, maybe you can answer my question. A few weeks ago, I wanted to sell my $6,500 in Shiba Doge. I have a little bit of Shiba Doge and would get $1,500. Can you tell me why I would have lost $5,000? So it was showing in your wallet that it was worth $6,500, but you would only get $1,500. I don't know that. I don't know Shiba Doge well enough. I could send a message to Classy Crypto. He's just sent me a message today, but not about Shiba Doge. I could ask him. He might know. He's a big Shiba Doge guy. Maybe you can answer my question. I'm sorry I can't answer your question, but we can take a look at it on the chart. We can look at Shiba Doge. Let's see. Let's look at Shiba Doge. Where is it? Okay, there's Blocktopia. Blocktopia is pretty cheap, huh? And the market cap is not, too high. It's just under 50 million. Volume is way up today for some reason. Way up. 164% up. All right, let's look at Shiba Doge. You mean we actually have to talk about crypto? Oh yeah, here's Shiba Doge. Well, its market cap is all the way down to 27 million, huh? I have it in a wallet. I just don't pay attention to it. Just a small amount. I have like a moon bag for Shiba Doge. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. That's not good. What wallet are you using? Maybe it's a glitch in the wallet. Shiba Doge Army. This was clever that they did this. They combined. They're trying to combine both communities. I don't know about the long-term prospect of it. I don't know. But it seems to be one of the better meme tokens out there because of the NFTs and stuff like that. Oh, there's Adam Sheldon. Oh, they got all these guys. Yeah, Zach Humphreys, Austin Hilton, Your Pop. Yep. Well, yeah, I don't know what to tell you there. I'm sorry that happened to you. I do like your Trans Am. Is that your Trans Am, or is that just your dream car? And maybe it's a 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, somewhere there. Somewhere between 78 and 82, maybe. The Trans Am. Yep. It reminds me of my aunt. She had that white one with the blue bird on the hood. So that's really cool. That's cool. See, that brings back memories. Patches says he just gave me this notification. He says that we're not asking people to smash the like button. So I clicked the banner. It says smash. Patches says smash the like button, please. He didn't say please. If you haven't subscribed to our second backup channel, please do so. It is Crypto Talk Now. We're going to refresh the screen. We've got 3 subscribers. Crypto Talk Now 2. We just started this channel. There's the first video. And also, please follow us on Twitter, Crypto Talk Now 21. Crypto Talk Now 21. We have 15 likes. That's good, guys. That's pretty good. So people are listening to my dog, Patches. He's saying to like, oh, he's sorry, I mentioned your name. Yeah, he's moving around a little bit. So we appreciate that. Shiba Doge. Let's see what is going on with the all-time chart of Shiba Doge. All-time. Yeah, there's been a lot of peaks and valleys with this one. And now it's like spiked up. So I don't know. Don't know what's going on with it. Yep, I don't know. Volume is over 2 million. So, yep. Oh, well, look at that. More comments. Oh, look who it is. It's Legal Alien. Welcome back. Legal Alien. He says, let's go, Larry and Patches. Thank you for that. Somebody said, some old FUD said that I'm the Jerry Springer of crypto. Everybody's going to say Larry, Larry, Larry. And I'm going to bring people on here, and they're going to fight with each other. And, yeah, that'll be kind of cool to be the Jerry Springer of crypto. Okay, Legal Alien says, smash the like button. Yes, thank you for that. Oh, I was off by 1 year. Garrett Vera says it was a Trans Am 1977, but now I have a Tesla Model S. Okay, well, Teslas are nice cars. I do like, I'll have to say I like the Trans Am better. I thought it was a 78. That was my first guess. Somewhere between 78 and 82. So I was off by 1 year. Okay, well, that's a cool car. Like I said, my aunt had one just like it, only it was white with the blue bird on top, and it was, it had the T-top on it. It was good memories. My dad was a Corvette guy. Had a lot of Corvettes. He was into antique cars, and including he had a 1956 Corvette and a 1957. The 57 was fuel injected. So yeah, that's way back. He also had one of the nicer Corvettes he had was a 1968 Corvette convertible. It was blue. Yep, it was blue because my mom's favorite color was blue. Yeah, like the stream, subscribe for more. Okay, let's make it a crypto show, shall we? Can we make it a crypto show and talk about crypto, Larry? You're just moving your banners around. You're looking at the comments. There's no more comment. Nobody wants to comment anymore. Okay, so we're going to go over to, I guess we're looking at Shiba Doge right now. But it's been a while since we looked at Luna 2.0. That's where we're at. We're at Luna 2.0. So there it is on Kucoin. $7.17. And again, the overall market is here. There's where we are. ICP, Internet Computer Protocol, right? I don't have any of that. That's number 33. I don't have any of that. Luna Classic disappeared. What happened to Luna Classic? Let's see. What happened to Luna Classic? Terra Classic. Oh, you know what we didn't talk about? Yeah, it's okay. It's saying it's ranked number 77. It's hiding from me. It's only up 1%. That's why. So it's balancing out. This is the one we didn't talk about today. We didn't. How do you not talk about that, Larry? I'm keeping an eye on this one right here. I don't know why. It's really a degenerate gambling type thing like I'm looking to do. I wanted to get to a penny. I still don't understand what purpose does it have. UST doesn't have a purpose right now, but people are still buying it. The volume has slipped a lot. The volume is 21 million, but the market cap is still 200 million. So I'm a buyer at a penny. I'm a buyer at a penny and see what happens. So there you go for that. Remember to subscribe to the backup channel right here. Crypto Talk Now #2. I will post another video on there later this afternoon, probably on Luna Classic. I don't even know. And let's see if we can get this channel to take off, right? Crypto Talk Now 2 3 subscribers. Let's see here. We've got 6,892 here. That's not too bad. It's a real struggle to get to 7,000. I don't understand why. Really, it's a struggle. All these things are, this is all organic growth. It's taking a long time to get to here since last October. It takes a long time. And if you guys are new to the channel, by the way, we have a normal show at 3. Today we started at 1. We're going to see how it goes. We're going to see how it goes, but we are going to be on again at 3. And then tonight is the big show, your show, the Max and Larry show. That's tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's going to be a big one. There's going to be a special announcement in that show. Yeah, so tune in for that, Max and Larry, tonight at 9 Eastern. So, yeah, so Patches is getting up. See, he's so big, he can't even fit in the camera frame. He has his own tablet. It's a Microsoft Surface. It's a sophisticated setup here. We have it propped up against books in the studio. I do have a kickstand for it, but it tilts it too far back, so it needs to be more upright. He's really trying to get comfortable. Patches, make your bed. When I tell him to make his bed, he takes his blanket all around. Now he's not doing it. Patches, the view that you're giving right now is not very flattering. All right, he's going to lay down. Now he's a little bit, he's sneezing or something. You can't hear him. I have to turn his microphone off because it clashes with mine. So please, guys, wake up out there. Please, for the love of God, please make a comment. Oh, here's one right here. Garrett Ver. Let's just call you Garrett. It's easy to remember. Garrett says the burn wallet Terra Classic. Is it really a burn wallet? Or can Kucoin sell the tokens? I have a video update for that from Max. I can show you that video. If you want to see the video, let me do this. Let me bring this down. Let me bring up my other browser because it doesn't let me show it on Firefox for whatever reason. Hold on. I got to stop my share screen. Share. Let's stop it here. I have a video that explains that. Who is using this? Crypto Talk Now is using this. Who else is using this browser? All right. So it's asking me questions. I'm going to bring up a video to explain that very thing. I have a very good video that you guys are going to watch. It's going to explain at Maximus Crypto what Kucoin is doing with that wallet. If it's really a burn wallet or not, that's what we want to know. Wow, look at that, Patches. You have nice eyeballs. He's looking really closely. He's waiting for that video to come out. All right, so share. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me change my permissions, you guys. There's a lot of stuff going on my other screen. You can't see it just yet. I'm almost ready to share it. I promise you I'm going to do that. All right, here it is. Maximus Crypto right there. And I'm going to turn the volume on. And hopefully you guys can hear this. Now, very good question. Garrett Ver asked about burn wallet. Terra Classic, is it really a burn wallet or can Kucoin sell the tokens? Well, this video right here. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to Maximus Crypto, all one word, this is my co-host on the Max and Larry show. He's a very underrated YouTuber. That's why I have him on the show. Max's YouTube, yeah, right here. So Selmo Fudd says the hardest working guys in crypto, the Max and Larry show. Yes, we work our asses off. Can I say that on here? My kids are going to be upset. I'm not supposed to swear. I'm trying to set a good example. But yes, we work our asses off. I said it again. We work very hard with very little sleep because we don't require much sleep. Okay, so here you go. So here it is. This will explain to you about the burn. So please, please pay attention. Thank you for the question. Here you go.
"46, come in. 46, come in. These people have torched up the entire block. Something about a burn address and false hope in a Kucoin. 46, why aren't you sending me help?" "All right. I bet those lunatics are burning their Terra. I am glad that I was able to reactivate the teleportation device so I can warp back to the hideout. I could warp to another city, but only Jack has the button codes to initiate Terra 2.0. Dig it. Well, as soon as I get there, I can take off this disguise. Starting to get hot in this thing." "Okay, I am back now to get out of disguise and cool off for a bit." Boy, am I glad to get out of that hot skies. Glad to see that the teleportation device still works. Hopefully Jack will bring some food. I am tired of eating them damn hot pockets. Hey, Duquan, I see that you're back and you're in your regular clothes. Things got a little too hot with you with the burn, huh? What do you mean? Hey, look at the time. The lunatics are burning as much Terra Classic before midnight as they can. I thought you said you were going to use the reverse psychology method on them. You are still going to push the red button and blow this thing up into Terra 2.0, aren't you? Yes, of course. That was the whole plan. Reverse the reverse psychology and have them think they are burning Terra Classic, but instead they are sending me all of the Terra Classic all to my own address. So, Jack, where have you been? Every time I come back, you are gone, and then back as soon as I get here. Well, kid, while you were at Terraform Labs, I had to do some of my own work by disabling the emergency communications to where the fire was. The guys from Ladder 46 won't be able to respond to anyone at the burn site. Speaking of which, those lunatic idiots are not just burning the Terra Classic, but they are burning down the whole block and soon the whole city. You see, Jack? It's all starting to come together. Soon, Terra 2.0 will launch, and we will take over the whole world.
And there you guys have it. There is episode 3 of Terra Wars. I'm going to go back and show you guys the channel again. It is Maximus Crypto, all one word. Here he is right here. He's got all, oh, there I am right there. He's got all these videos here. And go ahead and support Max. He's got Terra Wars. That was the 3rd episode. I think he's got another episode coming out in another couple days. But yeah, hopefully that answers your question. We really don't know. We don't know. Here's the thing. We do not know what Duquan is thinking. We don't know what he's thinking. I don't think that he has the address, the burn address. I don't think that's really his, going to him to benefit him. I know we kind of joke about it, but I don't think he's doing that. But we don't know what he's planning. And I will say this. How in the world do you have a blockchain ready in 10 days? Like, this stuff was, to me, premeditated. So it is what it is. But let's go back over to this share screen. I've got to change the permissions again. Stop. Share screen. Window. Let's get rid of this right here. We want to share, actually, we want to share on Firefox. We want to share on Firefox. So where are you, Firefox? Here you are. We've got 2 different browsers open. Okay, so here we are. And guys, don't forget to follow Crypto Talk Now 21. All right, enough of the shameless self-promotion, or maybe not. 6,892. What is it over here? We've got 3 subscribers. We only have 3 subscribers for Crypto Talk Now number 2, or 2. So we need more subscribers. We are being watched right now on Twitch. We're being watched on Twitch live, and also, there we are right there. And also, we're being watched live on, if I can see, where is it? Oh, yeah, we're being watched live on Twitter right there. So there we are. There we are on Twitter. Okay, so thank you for that. So please, guys, drop more comments in the comment section so we can take a look at a crypto that you want to look at. But for now, we'll go back to Luna 2.0. So there it is. It's at $7.15. It's making a little bit of a comeback, but then it just dropped right here again. This is the 15-minute chart. Here's the 5-minute chart. I don't know if you want the 15 or 5, but there it is. And here we are with crypto bubbles. UST is at 1.9 cents. Looking for it to be at a penny. All right, so I mean, I don't know. Maybe I don't know about Axie Infinity. Maybe I would be a buyer around $15. I'm not sure. I don't know how much longer people are going to want to play that game. I mean, to the level that they're playing at it now. I don't know if you guys have Axie Infinity or not. Let's look at all these. So I don't have any of this Tuncoin. Don't have any of that. Don't have any of this BitTorrent. I don't know anything about it. I don't have that. CBX, Convex Finance, don't have that. This one has been really doing well. Well, now not so much. Okay, WeMix, I don't have any of that. Was doing good the other day. Hot, Hollow, whatever, don't have that. Oh, here it is. It's really small now. I definitely have Terra Classic. I got about 2.4, 2.5 million Terra Classic. Some people would call it Luna 2. I'm sorry, not Luna 2. Some people would call it not Terra Classic, but Luna Classic. And there it is. So I have that. EOS, I don't have any of that. I don't have any EOS. Hex, I have Hex. I'm a Hexican. I got it at 10.6 cents. It's at 6.6 cents. So I'm not very much a genius on that. Kronos, I do. That's my big one. If anybody doesn't watch the show, that's my big one right there. That's my long-term hold. That's my quote-unquote stable coin that's not a stable coin. Oh, boy. Okay. So Osborne says the thoughts on Terrarium. Oh, boy. Thoughts on Terrarium. I hold a good-sized bag of Terrarium. I really do. I was upset with the team because they were ignoring me. They don't return my – almost says phone calls. They don't want to call me. I'll give them my number if they want to call me, but they won't return my my one message on Twitter. They won't return it. My one message on Telegram, they won't return it. So yeah, my thoughts are I don't know what's going on with them, but I'll tell you. Here's my thoughts on Terrarium. So you can pay attention to this. Terrarium has a chance. Terrarium has a chance. Tell the war cap about Kronos. Okay, I'm going to tell you in a second. The Terrarium has a chance to be a major, a good exchange in India. It's a big market. It's a big market for crypto. You guys know that. Everybody that watches this show is smart, right? Even Patches is, Patches has above average intelligence for a dog. We all know that. Okay, so they have a chance. This is their only chance, in my opinion, is to create that centralized exchange and target the Indian market. And then I think they'll be fine. But I don't like the fact that they don't come out and talk very much. I know they just hired some influencers and stuff like that, but that's not enough. And they need to not alienate people like me, because before some of those influencers came on board, I'm not going to name names, but I probably owned more Terrarium than they did. And I bought it with my own money. I didn't get any of it. I mean, I wasn't given any of it, but I mean, I'm not complaining because they deserve it, because they're being paid to market it. But it's not right what they did to me. They shouldn't be ignoring me. And so, they automatically have the default to block comments in Telegram. So I couldn't message. And I made a big stink about that because I'm the Jerry Springer. Apparently I like that. I'm the Jerry Springer of crypto. So I made a big deal about that. And then they unblocked me so I can write comments. But that tells me they're scared. They initially have a default, so you can't comment in the Telegram. That's not freedom of speech. And there wasn't anything bad that I was saying at all. I just actually said hello. But I didn't get to say that. But afterwards, I said hello. So my point is this. They need to be client service oriented, and they need to do a better job with their PR. If they don't want to come on camera, that's fine. They're doctors. They have jobs as doctors, whatever, a pilot. That's fine. But you have tons of money. You made 500. You made, what'd you make? What'd you make? Was it 5? What was it? No, they made 500,000. That's what they made. They made 500,000 in one day from the tweet that they were getting listed on Binance, which they never should have done, because Binance has a rule. You can't disclose that you're going to go on their exchange. Binance has to be the one to do that first. So I think they might have been scammed for $180,000. So I'm sorry to hear that, but they raised $500,000, $500,000 in one day. They have more than enough money to not only pay for marketing, but they have more than enough money to hire a PR team or a spokesperson. But this person, they don't need to be Cliff Fettner and come on every single night. But we need to have some sort of a weekly update. They should have their own, they're not going to listen to me, but they need to have their own. I don't know if they do have it or not. They need their own YouTube channel. If they do have it, I don't know about it because they don't post on it. They need to have their own YouTube channel, and they need to have somebody as a spokesperson, somebody that can do AMAs. That's what they need to do. They need to do a little bit like Shibnobi does. And I'm not saying that Shibnobi is the greatest project, but they do set the standard for transparency and community involvement. And Terrarium may not be a meme token, but they are considering themselves a community-based token. So there you go. Now I'm going to shut up and read the comments. Warcat Crypto. He says, tell the Warcat about Kronos. Okay. So let's talk about Kronos. Let me get this off of here. So let me refresh the screen. I think it's around 18 cents right now. All right. So it's around 18 cents, but I'm going to tell you why I like Kronos. Okay. So there it is, right? So there it is. The market cap is 4.5 billion, right? And the volume is kind of low today, 31 million. I would expect it to be a little more. All right, whatever. So it's at 18 cents. So here's my thoughts about Terrarium. The snake has, okay. I hope I'm not boring you guys with the snake analogy. Let me back up. I've got an alarm going off. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. There's the big iron gates. They're like this. This is it was extremely secure. So we thought. Okay, so the big iron gates are there. This is a metaphor. It's a little story because it's story time. This right here are the big pearly, not the pearly white base, the big iron gates. And this is represented by Luna Classic before it was known as Luna Classic. It was here, right? And then a Mack truck drove through the gates and ripped the gates apart. And then what happened is this represents the coupling, like a chain link. Sorry about that. And the link, they're linked together, right? UST is linked together with Luna. Well, back then, it wasn't known as Luna Classic, so whatever. I'm confusing everyone. Okay, so they were ripped down. So then what happens is this. The snake comes in. The snake comes in because the gates are open. The snake, it's disgusting. It's a big snake. It's a racer snake. It's disgusting. And the snake is the metaphor for regulation. But no, you're not going to get this anywhere else. I have a crazy mind. So the snake slithers through, and the snake is good and bad. It's mostly bad, but it does serve a purpose. It does help the people with one thing. The big snake eats the baby copperheads. The baby copperheads, they curl up in a ball. If you get close to them, they curl up in a little ball, and they can't control their own venom. Now, the baby copperheads are a metaphor. They hide, by the way, the baby copperheads, they hide. They hide under leaf piles. They hide in the stacks of wood. They're very dangerous. They can't control their own venom. The mommy copperheads and the daddy copperheads are a little bit safer because they control their venom and they kind of keep to themselves. But the baby ones are small, and you can step on them and get bit by accident because they won't be aggressive. But if you step on them, they'll bite you. And the metaphor, or that's the metaphor for the rug pulls. So the baby copper, so follow along. So the big snake, disgusting snake, it's big, it needs to eat, right? It's regulation. And it eats the baby copperheads. That's the good part of regulation. It eats the rug pulls, the Batman Enus, the strange Enus, the Suzuki Enus, or whatever the hell crappy Enu you want to say. It eats the rug pulls. It kills them off. So it's going to be harder for the little baby snakes to thrive. The baby copperheads are going to have trouble turning into big mommy and daddy copperheads. Okay. So there you go. So, but here's the bad side of the snake. The big snake, regulation, it needs to eat. It wants the tax money. It comes in and it says to itself, okay, I'm going to eat the low-hanging fruit because I'm going to be a superhero. Everyone's going to love me, and they're going to keep me in the backyard because they're not going to kill me, because they're going to be like, well, this big snake is here to help us. It's eating the little baby copperhead, so we got to keep the big snake around. We got to have we're going to say, okay, come on, regulation, come on. Some people are saying that, not me. Some people are saying that. And then the big snake bites all the little people. It bites the retail investor. It hurts the retail investor because the big snake has to eat, and it's very selfish. It looks like it's doing a good thing. It does do a good thing. It eats the baby copperheads, but it's out to just fill its belly. And that is the metaphor again. That is regulation. It's the big snake. So it does do a good job cleaning up the poisonous snakes, the rug pulls, but at the same time, it hurts innocent people, and it costs people money, tax dollars, and all that kind of stuff. So there you go. Now I'm going to shut up and listen. All right. So I'm going to shut up and listen to the comments. Sorry. Okay. So I'm sorry. Here, I'm getting back to where it is. We're going full circle. Remember, you're watching the Jerry Springer of crypto. Apparently, Selmo Fudd says I'm the Jerry Springer. So I'm going to be crazy like him, because I'm a little bit like Jerry Springer, a little bit. Okay, so Warcat Crypto says, tell me about Chronos. So I'm getting to that. So the snake analogy leads me into Chronos. So Chronos is a safe haven. In my opinion, people are going to be scared because regulation is coming, and it'll be another good thing is that it'll bring more money in too. So people that were into stocks or bonds or mutual funds, or God forbid, if they're keeping their money in their bank account, their savings account, right? They're getting their, I don't even know what it pays. What does it pay? Like 0.1%. They're keeping their money there under their mattress, and now they decide to get into crypto. So where are they going to get into crypto? Are they going to go to Uniswap? Are they going to go to PancakeSwap? Well, Uniswap's getting sued. PancakeSwap's getting sued, right? The snakes are after, the big snake is after those two, or it will be. But right now they're after the stable coins. That's the first move. The snake is going after the low-hanging fruit. That's going to be the stable coin. That's what they're looking for. And then they'll be heroes and protect the people against the rug pulls, right? That'll be the 1-2 punch. So when the regulation comes in, it does this and that, and people are scared, and new people come in because they don't understand Uniswap and they don't understand PancakeSwap, and it looks like a cartoon and everything. It's a pancake, and they're like, "What the hell is this?" So they don't understand how to do MetaMask wallets and Trust Wallet this, and I got to have an Atomic wallet, and I don't understand the different, Polygon chain and BSC, and it's an ERC token. What does that mean? So they're going to go to a centralized exchange, and what better, more recognizable place? It has it right in the name, crypto.com. And they for crying out loud, they spent whatever they spent, $600 million, $700 million, was it? I don't know. They took the arena, right, the Staples Center, where the Lakers play, right? The Lakers, the Los Angeles Lakers, you guys know, you guys are smart. They take that and they turned it into the crypto.com, what do they call it? Arena. Crypto.com, right? And they do Super Bowl commercials and they spend lots of money on marketing. So with all that said, with the regulation coming, with new people coming into crypto, the first place they're going to go, in my opinion, is to centralized exchange. So you got a whole bunch of centralized exchanges, but crypto.com has some excellent branding and they are not afraid to spend money on marketing. So when they're opening up their little phone, right? They got their phone, right? They got their cell phone. Mine's got 3 cameras. When they got their cell phone here, right? They go in there and they download, they go on to whatever it is. I don't have an Apple, the Apple Play Store. No, the Apple, whatever it is. And then the Google Play Store, right? And they download the apps. And they get in, crypto.com, that's sounds like crypto. So they get in there and then they see this, okay, they get staking rewards. What's that? I can get a debit card. What is this thing? Credit card? What is this? So I can actually use my crypto to buy stuff. They make it easy. The interface is easy, right? It's easy. So for all those reasons, I'm bullish on Crow. I'm bullish on Crow because as more people come in, they start to poke around in that app and they're like, well, what's this? Oh, this is their own coin. Oh, they have their own blockchain. When they learn a little bit more, they're like, what's a blockchain? So that's what they do. They come in, and that's why I'm bullish on Crow, because I feel like there'll be a lot of people, new people coming in, new money coming in. Once the regulation shakes up the space, they're going to come in here and they're going to want to get into crypto.com. So that's my theory. When Terra V2, I think you're saying a V2 to the V2 to the V22. I'm not sure what Selmo Fudd is getting to. But here we are right now at Luna 2. $7.14. Okay, the Jin. Welcome back, the Jin. He says, what's up, everyone in the channel? Nice to see you all. Larry, Max, and Patches, how are you guys doing? We're doing well. Max will be here tonight for the big show. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. He's going to be here. That's your show. You guys need to comment a lot. This is your show, too, so comment a lot so I can read it. Makes my job easier. Remember, I'm the newly appointed Jerry Springer. I'm the Jerry Springer of crypto, apparently. I kind of like that. Because I'm just like I'm basically, what do they call it? I'm the ringmaster, right? Jerry Springer, he's like the ringmaster of the circus. I'm going to get the circus on here. Maybe we'll bring people on here and I'll be like the Jerry Springer. I'm the ringmaster. I basically supervise the circus. Okay, the Jin says, I quit my job this morning. Holy crap. The Jin says, I quit my job this morning and I feel great. Well, congratulations. No more oil field drama in my life. Laugh out loud. Okay, well, cool. Congratulations. And I'm glad that you have that freedom now in your life. Warcat Crypto. He says he's going to take you, and if you don't agree with his opinions, he's going to show you his cat, and his cat is scary as hell, and you're going to fall down a well or something like that. What are your thoughts on Tron? That's a good crypto question. What are my thoughts on Tron? So Tron right here. So I'm looking at Tron. I'm looking at it. It's got a high market cap. I'm more of a low cap guy. I know that doesn't make sense because I just told you about Crow. But when I'm looking to, so Crow is just a long-term hold for me. Then periodically I buy more of it. But I do not own any Tron. That's something that Max and I are looking at closely. I do not own any Tron, but I think it could be something good to get. So I don't know if that answers your question. So yeah. Let's go over here. Let's tell you a little bit more about Tron. What are your thoughts on Tron, by the way? So here's Tron, right? It's a decentralized, saying decentralize the web. Okay, whatever. TRX. Yeah, I need it to come down a little bit more before I get more. Holy crap. Hi, Larry. Where is handsome Maximus? Okay, so he or she likes Max. And Max will be here tonight for the Max and Larry show at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the big show. Right now, we are here for some crypto chat. And I'm keeping the channel warm for Max to come here afterwards. And Patches is too, because who doesn't like to look at a dog? Everybody likes to look at dogs. And everybody likes to look at charts. Where's the chart? Oh, that's Shiba Doge. Kucoin. There's a chart for Luna 2.0, right? $7.16. Darius Smith. I'm holding almost 600 Crow tokens. Crow coins. When do you expect Crow to rise? Oh boy, I don't know if I can make a prediction like that. I'll tell you this. This is when I expect Crow to rise. I expect Crow to rise when the bull market kicks in and the whole market goes up. I know that sounds kind of simplistic, but that's just what I believe. I think a lot of these tokens and coins are being suppressed by the overall market. And you look closely at a project and you say to yourself, how can we look at this? Is it because is there an issue going on with that coin or token, or is it just a symptom of the overall market? So for me, there's nothing fundamentally wrong with Crow. It's just that it's a symptom of the overall market. I can't say that about all coins and tokens. Okay. So she's a fan. Max has his own fan. She's a lady. She's a lady. Would you please consider changing your avatar so we can learn more about you? It doesn't have to be a picture of you. You can maintain your privacy, but if you put in there, like, I don't know, if you have a pet, like a dog or a cat, or maybe there's some sort of a hobby, or something, and we can learn more about it. He is cute, and so are you. I like your beard. Laugh out loud. Okay, well, thank you for that. Okay, so cool. Yeah, I hope that you like. Patches. Ladies like dogs. Everybody likes dogs, right? Do you like? I think most people like dogs more than cats. I do have a cat. I have another cat that comes around. I have one cat. Her name is actually Sweet Kitty, and she actually lives in my barn. She actually lives in there, and it's a barn, but I actually have air conditioning in there. Can you believe that? For the cat, for the stupid cat. Yeah, he's saying it's stupid. I know, Patch. Sorry, the stupid cat. I have to, because of my kids. They worry about the cat. The stupid cat has air conditioning in her barn. It's her barn. Nobody else goes in there very much. I mean, I do have tools and stuff in there. But the cat has her own air conditioning. And then there's another cat. I call him Rocky. His name is Rocky. His real name, we call him Rocky. It's a long story, but yeah, he comes around and he's an outside cat. And we love Rocky. Rocky's cool. We call him Rocky or Rocco. He's actually like a dog. That's why I like Rocky better than Sweet Kitty, because he acts like a dog. All right, so I'm going to stop ranting and raving about nothing. I'm holding Tron. Okay. Who asked about Tron first? Oh, no, it was the same person. Sorry, Garrett Ver. Yeah, don't be fooled by his avatar. He's got a 1978 Trans Am, but actually he has a Tesla. He's a Tesla guy. So thank you for that, and thank you for that comment. He's holding Tron. Yeah, I don't. To be upfront, I don't know too much about Tron, but Max is kind of bullish on Tron. But both of us haven't bought it yet. We're waiting. We're waiting. We like to buy things when they're distressed. I like to buy things when they're down. So I'm waiting for Tron to come down more. I'm waiting for it to come down more. Okay, let's click the banners. Patches says smash the like button. Patches says smash the like button and like the stream. And are you guys listening to Patches? Are you guys listening? Oh, I got to put Patches up there. See, Patches says smash the like button. Are you guys listening to Patches? Let's see. I'm going to spy on you guys. I'm spying on you guys. Okay. Well, that's what we got for subscribers. I can't control that. But don't forget to subscribe to our backup channel, Crypto Talk Now 2. There's only 3 subscribers. It's brand new. So you'd be an OG if you subscribe to that. Now, what am I showing you? Where am I going with this, Larry? Where is it? Okay, here it is right here. 18 likes. That's not too bad. Our goal really was for the stream 100 likes. So if you're watching this, there's 16 people watching. It says over here 16, but over here it says 17. 16, 17. If you could like the stream, I'd appreciate that. So there's a chart. There's Duquan. Duquan's taking a nap or something. Stable coins. Shiba Doge. We talked about Shiba Doge. We talked about Blocktopia. This is all the things that you guys want to talk about today. That's why we talked about it. Blocktopia. This is just an empty tab. So what's going on with, so nothing's going on with Terra. There's no new announcements there. Let's see what the notifications are saying. NFTs are hot. Okay. Maximus, Terra Luna Classic. Oh, okay. He likes it. Likes my tweet. Okay. And there we are. We're live on Twitter right now. So there we are. We're live on Twitter. And if you guys have Twitch, please follow us on Twitch. We have 4 followers on Twitch. We're brand new to Twitch. We've only been there for a couple weeks, and we haven't really been emphasizing it, but we are live on Twitch right now. Oh, that's kind of spooky because I see myself talking, but it's not. It looks like a little bit of a lag. It's a delay. So there we are on Twitch. Oh, so he's calling her Maxine. Is that really your real name? The one with the Maximus Crypto in your username? He's saying Maximus Crypto, hi, Maxine. I don't know if that's your real name. I know you're a lady, but I don't think that's your real name. Not Maxine. I don't know. That's kind of funny. It would be kind of funny if it was Maxine because of Max. All right. So what are we going to talk about now? I don't even know. What are we going to talk about now? We're going to look at the market. We're going to look at the market. Let's look at the news. Where's the news? I have all these. You guys can't. Oh, you can see these market updates, but you can't see the drop down when I do that. I don't know why. Okay, crypto news. Crypto news. Back to headline news with CoinMarketCap. CFTC sues Gemini, claiming the crypto exchange lied in futures contract evaluation. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. Oh, okay. Here we go. We've got some comments here before I read the Shiba Inu stuff. Welcome for the first time. You have a very interesting avatar. He's got a C with a little like kind of comment underneath it, so it's interesting. Oh, you know, he does the same thing with his name. How in the world did you do that? How did you do that with your username, your screen name? He has a Chris with a little squiggly line underneath it. Chris, no one will ever be able to duplicate that. Welcome, Chris Toby. He says Gala and Poly. So Polygon and Gala. Yes, I have both of those. I like both of those. We'll look at that in a second. Let's inform viewers about the business. Okay. Oh, you want to see what's on Watcher Guru? Okay. We're going to get to that in a second. Also, Garrett says the reason that I don't have a Trans Am, these cars are more and more banned here in the Netherlands. Oh, okay. Oh, because they run on they're not good for the environment, the gas. I don't know. They're banned, huh? That's not good. Okay. Let's go and do this in order. So we're going to go and we're going to look at Gala. We're going to look at Gala. Larry, we're going to look at Gala. So focus. Larry has to pay attention and look at Gala. Okay. Gala Games. I like Gala Games. I rode it all the way up to, I don't remember what, and sold it off. Let's see. Year. Still strong over the last 12 months, right? So it was up as high as 75 cents. I don't remember what I sold it at. I think I sold it off 40 some odd cents, right? I got in. Trying to see where I got in. I think it was like, was it 8 cents? I got in at like 8 or 9 cents and I sold it off at 40 something. So that was good. I can't remember. It was last year, right? When was this? Yeah, last November, December. So I think I sold it in December. But I think it's solid long term. I'd like to be a buyer again at 5 cents. I'd like to be a buyer at 5 cents just because of the way the market is. So we can click over here and we can go to their website so you guys can see it. So here's Gala Games. Oh, they got that game Spider Tanks. What's this one? Fuzzle? Superior? I haven't played any of these games. I'm not really a gamer. Max is a gamer. Holy cow, we have another lady here. There's 2 ladies watching this stream? We're trying to break. I'm telling you guys, we're going to be the most watched. Balmus tells it all. She's a lady. Luna Classic is still one of my long-term plays. Look, one of our goals, we have a lot of goals. One of our goals is to have a viewership of 12%. So we can say that we are the most watched crypto talk show by ladies. That'd be kind of cool. We need 12% viewership in order to do that. All right, so here's recent drops. Wow, they have some really good NFTs here. They got some good graphics. So if you guys don't know, there's Town Crush. If you guys don't know about Gala Games, this is what you're looking at right now, Gala Games. I did a video on them a long time ago. Of course, they didn't pay me. I didn't ask for payment. I just did it because I liked the project. So there you go. Okay, so that's Gala Games. And now let's look at Polygon. Let's look at Polygon. Here's Crypto Bubbles. And let's look at Polygon, right? Polygon is really cheap right now, 61 cents. Market cap is 4.88 billion. And let's look at Polygon. Bringing the world to Ethereum. So Polygon's a fast solution built on Ethereum, right? Polygon's decentralized Ethereum scaling platform. Yeah, so I'll be curious to see what happens when Ethereum comes out with their upgrade, I think in August. That's the only thing I worry about with Polygon and everybody else. But I'm not sure. But yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good to not financial advice, but I would definitely be looking to get more. All right, so back to Sell Mo Fud. He says, what is going on with Watcher Guru? Well, I'm being lazy. I'm going to push the Twitter button. I'm going to push the Twitter button. And I'm going to push the Twitter button. All right, so here we are. And I'm going to type in Watcher Guru. Watcher Guru. What is Watcher Guru? Oops. Dave. Who the heck is Dave? How did that happen? I didn't click on Dave. Okay, so Watcher Guru. What's the latest and greatest from Watcher Guru? Just in. U.S. Senate candidate says he will draft a bill proposing Dogecoin as a legal tender in California. Are you kidding me? How in what universe do we live in where that's happening? Let me read this again. The U.S. Senate candidate, it's a candidate, says he will draft a bill proposing Dogecoin as legal tender in California if elected. Well, this could be like a ploy to get votes, I guess. Oh, because of Elon Musk. Yeah. It says Dr. Timothy, whatever his name is, a candidate for U.S. Senate from California, is just looking for the endorsement from Billy Marcus and Elon Musk with the promise of sponsoring a bill to make Dogecoin legal tender in California and to push mass adoption for crypto. Let's see how it goes. You know what? That's smart. That's really clever. He's doing that to try to get Elon Musk to say something. And that'll really help his candidacy. That's what he's thinking. So that's pretty smart. That's very interesting news. So that's the one thing from Watcher Guru. And then this one here. Dogecoin co-founder Billy Marcus says every token on the Binance Smart Chain is garbage. Well, that's not very nice. There's no such thing as a BSC gem. Every token on that chain is garbage. Every account mentioning BSC gem is a scam bot, a scumbag, or an idiot. Or I would say dingbat, or ding dong. But that's what Billy Marcus says. You know what happened to the other Dogecoin founder? He sold all his Dogecoin and he bought a used Honda Accord. That's what happened to him, unfortunately. Yep. Watcher Guru. Well, this is a lot about Dogecoin. So there you go. He doesn't like Binance. Again from Watcher Guru, just in, former federal prosecutors say it will be hard to prove criminal charges against Terra CEO Duquan. Fines are more likely. So he's not going to get prosecuted. He's probably going to get fined. I guess that's good for him. Okay, just in, Binance has partnered with music artist The Weeknd to create the first global tour to integrate Web3 tech. Again from Watcher Guru, the White House is drafting a policy to reduce the energy consumption and carbon footprint of Bitcoin and crypto mining. Just in, Gemini will lay off 10% of its staff. That's not good. Well, maybe it is good. Maybe they're just trying to. Sometimes when companies lay off, employees, it actually helps the company financially. So maybe it's good. It's good. It's bad for the employees, but good for the overall exchange, maybe. Just in, Tether, USDT co-founder says UST crash will probably be the end of most algorithmic stablecoins. Yeah, I will agree with that statement. No more algorithmic stablecoins, please. Just in, Cardano on-chain transaction increased 7.74% to 42.5 million in May. I'm not going to read all these. I'll read one more. It says from Watcher Guru. Just in, the number of addresses holding at least one Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high of 848,082. So there you go. So there's the news from Watcher Guru. So again, Balmus tells it all. She's a lady. She says Luna Classic is still one of my long-term plays. Dopey Dude. Welcome back, Dopey Dude. He's got his dog with his nose. He's laughing with the Cartman. I can't do Cartman. I'm sorry. But Max can do that tonight at 9. So there you go. So what's this notification from Twitter? Oh, look, they like my tweet about the pump. I did this way back on May 30th. It got a lot of likes, right? 87 likes, 37 retweets. Retweet for the Luna Classic pump. Okay, so that's cool. Everybody's in this together. Wag me, right? I don't know if you guys like this thumbnail, but I just couldn't think of anything today, so I called it Crypto Chat. We'll see how it sticks. There's yesterday's show on Twitter. There's the thumbnail. And yeah, here we are on Twitch. So Twitch is over here, right? There we are. There's a delay there. There's Dopey Dude. You're on Twitch now, Dopey Dude. You've got to follow us on Twitch. We only have 4 followers, right? And there's Gala. All right, so that's the overall market. We talked a lot about that. And surprise, surprise. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do it a little bit differently today because I have to be a creature of habit for everybody. What we're going to do is I'm going to sign off here in just a minute and go have some lunch in my kitchen. And then I'm going to hop back on at 3 o'clock for the normal Crypto Talk Now live with Larry, and Patches will be joining me again. Oh, look, he looks like a beautiful dog right there. Isn't he such a beautiful dog? Now you can finally see his face. So Patches, when I go to sign off, you're actually going to come up on here. Dopey Dude said he doesn't have Twitch. All right, I'm signing off. Guys, you can come back if you want. You're welcome to come back. I'm signing off right now. It is 2:30. I will be back in a half an hour at 3. I'll make a new thumbnail, and there'll be a new link, and you can join me for Crypto Talk Now with Larry at our normal 3 o'clock slot. Thank you so much, and I will see you in a half hour. If you can't make that, then please come to the big show tonight with Max and Larry, and that show is at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 3 p.m. in a half hour, there's a show, and then Max and Larry tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much. I'll see you in 30 minutes. Bye.